Hello and welcome boys in your science class. Today in science we are going to start with our science learners book. Unit 3 Getting Materials Right. We are in lesson 3.3 Using the Right Material. That is on page number 70 to 72. So the name of our lesson is Using the Right Material. In this lesson, we are going to learn and find out why a material can be good for making some objects but not others, and we are going to record some observations. So let's start. Why are the windows made of glass? What could a window be made of different material? Talk about your friend about your ideas. So first of all, windows are made in the house with the help of with the glass. And why they are made of glass? Because glass is transparent and we want some light or air to pass through it and we can see through the glass. So this is the way. Look, here you can see in the picture, the boy is looking outside the window. Every material has properties or characteristics. The characteristics make the material good for making some object but not others. So we have in the previous classes, we have discussed that all the materials have some properties. So we use those materials according to their properties or characteristics. So now glass is good for a window because it is transparent and we make windows in the house to see through it so sunlight can pass through it and we can see. So window is for making a window glass is best because we can see through it and the property of the glass is that it is transparent. From the transparent window, light can easily pass and we can easily see through it. Okay, here are some other materials like wood. What are the properties of wood? Wood is hard and strong. We can make wood into chairs and tables. With the help of wood, because wood is very strong and less heavy, we can make chairs, tables, bed, and all the furnitures we can make with the help of wood. Plastic. A lot of bottle cups and those materials that are light, we make them with the help of plastic. Plastic is waterproof and comes in many colors. We can make plastic into cups and bottles. Because plastic is waterproof, it has different colors and it is waterproof and light. So these things that are light and we want to make them waterproof, we use plastic. In the last is metal. Metal is strong and can be sharp. We make metals into knives, forks, and spoons. So knives, spoons, and forks are made of metal. Why? Because metal is sharp, shiny, and it is strong and it is good for making knives because we want knives to be sharp. Spoons and forks should be clean and shiny. So we use metal to make spoons and forks and knives. Metal is sensible material for a bike because of the properties of metal. Rubber is silly material for a bike. Yes, when we are making bike or cars, what we are going to do, we are using metal because we want our transport to be strong. If it is made of rubber, that will be a silly material and it cannot be safe or strong. Okay, here are some of the questions. What would happen if a bike was made of rubber? And what would happen to a table made of chocolate? So it would bend when you sit on it. So look here in the picture, you can see when you sit on a rubber bike or rubber bicycle, what will happen? It will bend. And what will happen if you have a table made of chocolate? It would melt when it got warm. So chocolate can be melt easily, and when it is a table, it will melt and it is not strong. So we cannot put something on the table because we don't know whenever the chocolate will start to melt. Okay, here the questions of the answers of the questions I'm going to send in the group. So take care and have a nice day.